Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your video background with AI using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open pippit.ai and you're going to sign into this website. And after you sign into this website, you will earn credits for free. Okay, you can get free credits here. Then you're going to go to the image studio and choose AI background. And I'm going to choose photo from my device. For example, I'm going to use this photo. Okay, and you're going to choose the background that you like. Wait, it's still loading. Oh, why the background can't be removed? Okay, let's try another photo. Okay, I'm going to try this photo and I'm going to replace the background. I'm going to use this one. Once you select the background, you can click on generate and it will consume 2 credits. Okay, now the photo is done and I'm going to choose one of the result. I'm going to choose this one and this is the result. And if you want to download it, you can click on download and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's how you can change your photo background using AI with Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to try Pippit AI by yourself. I'll put the join link on my YouTube description. Don't forget to try and see you guys.